Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Chevy Cruze door panel. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any electrical work. Next, locate and remove any visible screws holding the door panel in place, often found in the armrest or door pull. Now, let's tackle the door handle and window switch. Gently pry off the trim piece surrounding the interior door handle using your trim removal tool. Once exposed, disconnect the electrical connector from the window switch assembly. Be sure to look for any additional screws that might be hidden underneath these components, as they often secure the panel further. With the screws removed, it's time to release the panel clips. Insert your trim removal tool into the gap between the door panel and the door frame, then gently pry outwards. Work your way around the entire perimeter of the door panel, carefully releasing all the plastic retaining clips. Once all clips are free, lift the entire door panel straight upwards to clear the window channel. Finally, with the panel lifted, you'll need to disconnect any remaining electrical connectors for speakers or lights. Carefully detach the door lock and handle rods from their respective mechanisms. Take your time with these connections to avoid damage. Once everything is disconnected, store your door panel in a safe, clean area to prevent any scratches or damage before reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.